welcome to a new IT support tutorial. Today it's our first tutorial about Androids, and for our Android tutorials we are using a Samsung Galaxy A05s with Androids 15. Today you are getting to see how to activate a full Google Drive backup. To set up the backup, we open the Google Drive app on the Samsung Galaxy A05s. Next, we open the menu on the left-hand side and we choose Backup. Tap on Backup Settings. By selecting the first option, you just back up your photos and videos. With a tap to the second option, you also back up all your device data, including text messages and app data. In the next step, you allow Google Drive to access your picture gallery. With a tap on Manage Backups, you return to the main menu. With a tap to backup, now your device backup is starting. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and with the QR codes you can request our IT support services. Thank you very much and see you next time.